Okay, so here we are for another quick tip about the Juki DDL 8700 or the 5550 or any other small Juki that you may have gotten recently from us or another vendor online. So this is the bobbin winder, as you know. The bobbin goes on here. But the problem that some of our customers have contacted us about is that this is spinning too freely for the bobbin winder to work properly. So there's a quick fix for it. You just grab the flathead, the black screwdriver that came with your Juki, and you can insert it into this post, and you just want to push that screwdriver in until the beveled head is about inside this. So that took a little bit of a push. Stick that into the place right there, because I'm just gonna wiggle it just a little bit here, and I'll pull it out, and let's test that, see if we open that up enough. No, in fact, that was not enough. So I'm gonna do it a little bit more. Same thing, take the flathead, push it in to the beveled edge is in that slot. Whole machine moved a little. And then we're just gonna wiggle that mouth open a little bit. Kick that back so we can put the bobbin on. Still spinning a little, but you can tell there's resistance. So we're gonna do it another time. And we're just trying to open that mouth just a little bit. If we overdo it, we'll have to go find some pliers to squeeze it back down. Not the end of the world, but I don't have those handy right now. There we go, fixed it. Thanks a lot.